Now we have reached the field of mathematics. And mathematics forms, in terms of explanation basis, an exception compared to other sciences. Mathematics is detached from empirical phenomena, and there is all in all no dynamics in it, since all its establishments take place in an unchanged framework of the equation, reflecting the basic position of logic, or as illustrated by Xenos Clark. The formal being of anything, the logical definition of it, is static. For mere logic, every question contains its own answer. We simply fill the hole with the dirt we dig out of. Why are twice 2 4? Because in fact 4 is twice 2. So in mathematics, accordingly, nothing ever happens. The eternal order of identical identification of equivalent expressions dominates absolutely. And there is simply no places for the deterministic movement of science in mathematics, since mathematics, being a closed system, is occupied with introspection, while science, that means other sciences, is completely turned to the external. Science singles out and organizes phenomena, which can then become subjects of mathematical analysis. But mathematics, in turn, does not care about the synthetic activity of science. It is content with its analysis of what has already been distinguished. So the activities of mathematics, and that means the rest of science, can be summed up in the following simplified way. First, we have the field of thinking, and if we start with mathematics, then we have the main question and issue. What corresponds to what? And then we will have the formal expression, A is B. Then if we take science, I mean not mathematics, then the main question of issue will be what causes what? And we will end up with the formal expression of A gives B. And the problem of the transition from mathematical principles to the field of empirical science can be summarized by the following statement by Simeon Frank. What, after all, is the main difficulty regarding the fact of the logical transition from A to B? It lies in the fact that every logical certainty is, so to speak, something completely immovable and self-enclosed. This immobility and isolation prevent the explanation of the transition from, that means the movement from one to another.